Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video in this Ram ProMaster. This is a 1500 model. The vehicle's in good shape overall. You can see it has pretty new tires on it. I'll notate any items as they come across them. You got some dings, dents, and scratches on the outside. Overall, vehicle's in great shape. Highly optioned vehicle. Chrome wheels. Paint and moldings, high roof, short wheelbase. It's got a backup camera as well. Just a nice little ride. Okay, so the way this works is like I have it, you have the vehicle on and running, and we want to make sure that the vehicle's doors are unlocked, but you have a lock over here. And then you want to make sure you set the parking brake. And then the door will come all the way open. And then this has an iClass lift on it, so you just make sure the lift is on. That green light indicates that the vehicle's interlock system is working. And then we have a lift switch remote. So we're going to press and hold on deploy until that lift comes out. So it has a ClearView lift, so it folds out as it comes down. And then since this has the handrail kit on it, in order to go up and down, that seatbelt just needs to be plugged in. And then we can come down. And of course, the person in the wheelchair would roll on here. We can buckle it and unbuckle this seat belt for them. And then the lift lifts back up to this height. Inside here, we've got 4 wheelchair restraint hooks and a 3-point seat harness. The person in the wheelchair would sit right here. And then you do have quite a few accessory toggle switches and plugs for powering different devices. This bench seat back here is a power folding bench seat, so it becomes a bed. Which is a nice feature to have. These little armrests here are removable. So when you're in a bed mode, you wouldn't have to have those on there. You've got an auxiliary rear air system here with a controller. And then you've got the nicer upgraded interior, upgraded sound system, and then the front AC system. So overall, nice vehicle inside and out. Highly functional and a lot of interior space. This also has the most head clearance at the side door there. So if you've got a particular wheelchair user that needs a lot of room height, it's got over 60 inches at the door there. So plenty of room to help them. And then we're able to make the lift go back up here. And then to stow the lift, so this is out of the way, we just unbuckle that. And then we hit stow. And this just clips back in here. We can shut the door. And then let's go check out the rear. You've got your straps in that blue bag and plenty of space back here. So super tall, nice and usable, wheelchair accessible vehicle. Kind of spec'd out like a camper inside, so nice and luxurious for a nice smooth ride. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what you think.